After 60, your biggest threat to independence isn't heart disease, diabetes, or even arthritis. It's something far more quiet, and it happens every single night. While you sleep, your body is either rebuilding your muscles or breaking them down. And here's the truth most people don't realize. The decision isn't made in the gym. It's made in your kitchen, in the hour or two before you close your eyes. Tonight, what you choose to eat or not eat will decide whether you wake up stronger or weaker. And over time, that choice could mean the difference between walking on your own or needing someone to hold your arm. Let me tell you something I see in my clinic almost every week. A patient comes in and says, "Doctor, I'm just getting old. I can't walk as fast as I used to. My legs feel heavy. I get tired so quickly." And yes, age plays a role. But in most cases, the real problem is sarcopenia, silent muscle loss. It doesn't happen overnight. In your 40s and 50s, your muscles may stay strong enough for daily life, but after 60, the change speeds up, unless you actively protect your muscles. You might notice you can't lift the same grocery bags without stopping to rest. You hold the railing when taking stairs, even if you never used to. Your balance feels a little less steady. This isn't just about strength, it's about safety. When muscles shrink, your risk of falling doubles, and falls after 60 can be life-changing, leading to hospital stays, slower recovery, or even permanent loss of independence. There's another side most people don't think about: your metabolism. Muscle is like a little engine, burning calories even when you're resting. When you lose muscle, that engine slows down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to control blood sugar. The scary part? Many people don't even realize it's happening until it's already taken a big toll. But here's the hope. Muscle loss after 60 is not a life sentence. With the right daily habits, you can slow it, stop it, and even rebuild what you've lost. And the best time to start is tonight. Let's talk about something most people never hear from their doctor. Your muscles are not just for moving your body, they are living organs. They burn sugar, balance your hormones, keep your bones strong, and even support your immune system. When you have healthy muscle, your body runs smoothly, like a well-tuned engine. But when muscle is lost, it's not just about feeling weaker. It affects your heart, your brain, your blood sugar, even your mood. Here's the reality. After age 30, we lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle every decade. That might not sound like much, but it adds up. By the time you're 60, the speed of muscle loss can double. If we do nothing, this silent decline keeps going year after year. And here's something fascinating. Your muscles produce tiny chemical messengers called myokines. Think of them like friendly letters your muscles send to the rest of your body. These letters help your brain stay sharp, your heart stay strong, and your blood sugar stay steady. When you lose muscle, you lose those messages. And that's why so many people after 60 notice more than just weakness. They notice slower thinking, more fatigue, and even trouble fighting off illness. The good news? This isn't permanent. The body can rebuild muscle at any age if you give it the right support. And it all starts with what you do and eat before bedtime. Let me share a secret most people over 60 have never been told. Nighttime is when your body does some of its most important work. While you're sleeping, your body goes into repair mode. Growth hormone and testosterone, two of the most important hormones for building and protecting muscle, reach their highest levels during deep sleep. But here's the catch. If your body doesn't have the right tools, like protein, hydration, and a calm, rested state, this repair process doesn't go as planned. If you go to bed low on protein or dehydrated, your body has no choice but to look for fuel somewhere else. And often, it turns to your own muscle tissue. This is especially true because sleep is like a mini fast. You're not eating for 7 to 9 hours, which means your body starts looking for amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, anywhere it can find them. Stress and too much blue light from screens make it worse. They keep your cortisol levels high. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and when it stays elevated at night, it can trigger muscle breakdown instead of muscle building. So, the very time your body should be rebuilding and protecting your muscles can actually become the time when you lose the most muscle if you don't prepare your body properly before bed. The good news? With the right bedtime habits, you can flip the switch, turning nighttime into your body's strongest muscle-building hours instead of your weakest. And in the next section, I'll share exactly what you can do before bed to make that happen. My friend, I want you to picture something. Imagine one day you find it harder to climb the stairs. You reach for the railing because your legs feel heavy. Carrying a grocery bag becomes a challenge. Standing up from a chair takes more effort. This isn't just getting older. This is the silent result of muscle loss over time. When you lose muscle, daily activities start to feel harder. Walking, bending down, even keeping your balance. And here's the truth. If you ignore this problem, it doesn't just affect your strength, it affects your entire life. Muscle is not only for movement, it's connected to your brain, your heart, and your immune system. Without enough muscle, your body can't regulate blood sugar as well, and your immunity becomes weaker. That means you're more likely to get sick and take longer to recover. And there's something else. Weak muscles increase your risk of falling. One serious fall can take away months, even years, of your independence. Suddenly, you may need help to do things you once did alone: dressing, bathing, cooking, or even walking to the mailbox. This is why I often tell my patients, losing muscle means losing freedom. It can turn an active, independent life into one of dependence and limitation. But here's the good news. You can fight it. With the right habits, you can slow, stop, and even reverse muscle loss. You can protect your independence and keep enjoying the life you love. Because every step you take today to protect your muscle is a step toward staying strong, steady, and free tomorrow. Now that you understand why muscle loss speeds up at night, let's talk about how to stop it and even turn it around. I call this my 5-step overnight muscle protection ritual. Do this every evening, and you'll wake up feeling stronger instead of weaker. Step 1. Slow digesting protein before bed. Your muscles need a steady supply of amino acids while you sleep. Choose protein that digests slowly, like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or casein protein powder. These release protein over several hours, so your muscles have what they need all night. Step 2. Smart hydration. Drink enough water during the day, but don't overload right before bed. Too much water late at night can wake you up for bathroom trips, which breaks your deep sleep. And that's when muscle repair happens. Step 3. Gentle movement. 5 minutes of light exercise before bed, such as bodyweight squats, gentle leg raises, or stretching, helps stimulate blood flow to your muscles, so nutrients reach them faster while you sleep. Step 4. Reduce stress. High stress before bed raises cortisol, the muscle-breaking hormone. Try deep breathing, light meditation, or calming music to relax your mind and body. Step 5. Optimize your sleep environment. A cool, dark, and quiet room helps you fall into deep, restorative sleep, the stage where growth hormone and testosterone peak and your muscles rebuild. By following these 5 simple steps every night, you'll protect your muscle mass, improve your strength, and help your body age more gracefully. Think of it as giving your muscles a nightly shield. Your muscles don't just rely on exercise and protein, they also depend on the right balance of hormones, especially at night. The way you spend your evening can make or break that balance. First, let's talk about light. Our bodies are designed to follow the natural rise and fall of the sun. Bright blue light from phones, TVs, and tablets tells your brain it's still daytime. This blocks melatonin, the hormone that signals your body to sleep and repair. Without enough melatonin, growth hormone and testosterone also drop, slowing muscle recovery. That's why I recommend turning off screens at least 1 hour before bed. If you need light, use warm-toned lamps or candles. This mimics sunset and prepares your body for deep rest. Second, focus on foods that calm your system and fight inflammation. Magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, almonds, and dark leafy greens help relax muscles, reduce cramps, and improve sleep quality. Omega-3 sources like salmon, sardines, and flax seeds lower inflammation and support cell repair, which is crucial after any muscle breakdown. Eating these in the evening, not in heavy portions, but as part of a light snack or dinner, gives your body the building blocks it needs overnight. Lastly, remember that your evening routine is more than a habit. It's a signal to your body. When you dim the lights, choose calming foods, and let go of stress, you're telling your hormones, it's time to heal. And that healing is what keeps your legs strong, your balance steady, and your independence intact. Your muscles don't just grow in the gym or kitchen. They grow while you sleep, if you give them the right environment. Did you know your mind can help or hurt your muscles while you sleep? Mental stress before bed isn't just exhausting for your brain. It lowers growth hormone levels and slows muscle repair. Even small worries, scrolling through news, or thinking about tomorrow can make your body less efficient at rebuilding muscle overnight. The good news is, the reverse is also true. A calm, relaxed mind helps you sleep deeply, and deep sleep is when your muscles get their best repair. When you reduce stress, your body produces more growth hormone, and protein synthesis, the process that builds muscle, works much better. Here are some simple techniques to try tonight. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. It quiets the mind and shifts focus away from stress. Visualization. Imagine your muscles repairing and strengthening as you breathe slowly. Your brain actually signals your body to support that process. Deep breathing. Take slow, intentional breaths. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, telling your body, it's time to heal. By combining these mental habits with your evening nutrition and light activity, you can make your sleep a powerful ally for muscle preservation and for keeping your independence strong. Every night, you have a choice. Each evening is an opportunity to send a simple message to your body. These muscles are needed. Keep them strong. By taking a few intentional steps before bed, eating the right protein, staying hydrated, moving gently, reducing stress, and optimizing your sleep environment, you are not just preserving muscle. You are preserving your freedom. Your ability to walk confidently, climb stairs, carry groceries, and live independently. Muscle is more than tissue. It is your engine, your armor, your lifeline. Protect it, and it protects you in return. Every small habit you create tonight becomes a signal your body listens to while you sleep, helping you maintain strength, balance, and resilience for years to come. Remember, it's never too late to start. Even if you've already noticed weakness, these evening habits can slow, stop, and even reverse muscle loss. Protecting your muscles is protecting your dignity, your health, and your independence. So tonight, as you prepare for sleep, make the decision. Give your body the nutrients, the environment, and the calm it needs. Tell it clearly, this muscle is needed. Keep it strong. Night after night, this small commitment becomes the key to staying strong and independent. Let's wrap this up. Preserving your muscles after 60 isn't just about what you do during the day. Exercise, yes, and good nutrition matter. But the real secret lies in the night. Your body does most of its repair, rebuilding, and strengthening while you sleep. By optimizing your evenings, choosing the right protein, staying hydrated, moving gently, reducing stress, and creating a restful sleep environment, you turn your nighttime into a muscle-protecting, strength-building powerhouse. Every small action you take tonight sets the stage for a stronger, healthier tomorrow. So here's my invitation to you. If you want to wake up feeling stronger, steadier, and more independent every day, start this simple ritual tonight. It doesn't take hours. It doesn't require fancy equipment. Just a few thoughtful steps before bed, repeated night after night, can help you slow, stop, and even reverse muscle loss. Your muscles are listening. Your body is ready to repair. All it needs is your guidance. Tonight, take control. Protect your strength, your independence, and your vitality. Begin the overnight muscle protection ritual and give yourself the gift of waking up stronger tomorrow and every day after that.